Good morning, class. Today, in continuation of the topic separation of mixtures of two solids, I'm going to explain you about the process of sublimation and separation by a magnet. We already studied about the process of sublimation. Let us revise that the changing of a solid directly into vapor on heating and of vapors into solid on cooling. This process is known as sublimation. Ammonium chloride, iodine, camphor, anthracene can be separated from the mixture by the process of sublimation. It will be clear by taking this example, that is to separate a mixture of common salt and ammonium chloride. The mixture of common salt and ammonium chloride is taken in a china dish. It is covered with inverted glass funnel. A loose cotton plug is put in the upper open end of the funnel to prevent the ammonium chloride vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. China dish is heated. By using a burner. On heating, a mixture of common salt and ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride, it changes into white vapor. These vapors rises up and get converted into solid ammonium chloride. When it comes in contact with the cold surface of the inner wall of the funnel. In this way, ammonium chloride is collected on the inner side of the funnel, whereas the common salt does not change into vapor on heating. It remains behind in the china dish. In this way, the mixture has been separated into two components. One is ammonium chloride, another one is common salt. Now, another method to separate a mixture of iron filling and sulfur powder by using magnet. As the iron is attracted by a magnet, this property of iron is used to separate it from a mixture. For example, a mixture of iron filling and sulfur powder. A horseshoe magnet is moved on the surface of the mixture of iron filling and sulfur powder. Iron filling is attracted by a magnet and they cling to the poles of the magnet, as every magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole, and get separated, as sulfur powder is not attracted by a magnet, so it remains behind. Now, we can conclude that all the mixtures containing two solid substances can be separated by one of the following methods: by using a suitable solvent, by the process of sublimation, and by using a magnet. Thank you.